Hello students, let us do the third chapter, How the State Government Works from Social and Political Life. In the sixth class, we have already learnt about the local government like Panchayati Raj, municipality, etc. Now, in 7th class, we will study about how the state government works like in matters of health department. In the next class, that is 8th standard, we will learn about how the national or central government works. Now, let us see the map of India. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. This is the latest map. Each state has a legislative assembly plus 2 more union territories like Puducherry and Delhi also have assemblies. Who is an MLA? Each state is divided into different areas or constituencies. See the map here. This is the map of Madhya Pradesh. It is divided into 230 constituencies. One representative is elected from each constituency. The elected member becomes a member of the Legislative Assembly. Candidates who are elected are from different political parties. How is a government formed in a state? The elected MLAs belong to different political parties. If more than half of the elected MLAs belong to a single party, the party is said to be in majority. The leader of the majority party is appointed by the governor as the chief minister of the state. Except the majority party which forms the government, other parties are called the opposition parties. Let us study the case of Himachal Pradesh in the assembly election of 2007. Himachal Pradesh had 68 constituencies in the assembly elections of 2007. For one single constituency, many candidates stood for the elections, out of which only one candidate who secured the maximum number of votes wins. Let's view the results of the elections to the Legislative Assembly of Himachal Pradesh in 2007, the political party and the number of MLAs elected. It's a table form. Then the Congress party, BJP party, other parties, independents and the total. Congress got 23 seats, then BJP got 42, other political parties got 1, independents got 2 and total 68. In order to gain majority in the elections, a political party needed to win the half mark of the total seats. Here, in respect of Himachal Pradesh, the half mark is 34 seats out of 68 seats. So, from the electoral results, we find that the BJP was the only political party which had won more than 34 seats. It had 42 MLAs elected by the public. Hence, it formed the ruling party. Congress, the next largest party, formed opposition party plus all the independents and others. The MLAs of the majority party, the BJP, elected Mr. Prem Kumar Dhumal as their leader. He was appointed chief minister by the governor. He gave a list of those MLAs to the governor whom he wanted to become ministers. The governor appointed those MLAs as ministers. How a coalition government is formed. Sometimes none of the political parties is able to win a majority of seats. In such a case, it obtains support from one or more than one party. They combine to form the majority in the House. A government thus formed is called a coalition government.